Hi friends, we'll solve problem on kinetics of particles 3. See what is given in problem. A ball of mass m kg hits an inclined smooth surface with 3 meter per second. Find out velocity of rebound. Here, if you solve such problem, your solution is very easy because mass of that inclined plane or inclined wall is infinite as compared to mass of ball. Therefore, direct formulas will apply. Law of conservation of momentum is not valid in this problem. First, we have to check this is which type of impact. For that one, what we'll do? Contact point is where, so this is a contact point, right? And this is a contact point. Now, if we'll represent what a line which is perpendicular to line of impact, this line represents what? Line of impact. LOI, line of impact. Line of impact. This angle is 60, this angle is 90. That means what angle we'll get here is what? This angle is 30. That means we'll get inclination of velocity with line of impact as what? Angle 30 degree. As impact is oblique impact, because velocity is non-collinear with line of impact, if we'll resolve this velocity perpendicular to line of impact and along the line of impact, we'll get two components. First component, this one you can say is along the line of impact. Other component is what? Perpendicular to line of impact. Now here we'll assume maybe one is what? Say this one is y-axis is line of impact, maybe this axis is say y-axis positive, and this one will take as what? X-axis positive in this direction, so that this component will write as what? VAX, and this component will write as what? VAY along y-axis. If we'll resolve, this component comes out to be 3 sine of 30, means what we'll get here? 1.5 meters per second. And other component VAY, what we'll get? That is 3 cos of 30. This component comes out to 2.598 meters per second. As impact is perfectly, or impact is what? Oblique impact or indirect impact, the component which one will get perpendicular to line of impact, that means along x-axis, you can say this component remains same after impact. So this component I'll add here, where this component is what? V A after impact means dash x, and its magnitude will be same as that of what you are getting before impact, 1.5. But other component of velocity will get what? Along the line of impact in opposite direction, where this one is what? VA dash y. Relation between VAY and VA dash y, if we use here, VA dash y equal to minus E VAY. Therefore, this VA dash y equal to minus E VAY minus E for this problem is given, E is given as what? E equal to given as a 0.8. This is given in problem. E is 0.8, will substitute here 0.8. Now this direction is we have taken positive, so this value I will substitute with positive sign, 2.598. That means answer what we will get is negative and comes out to be minus 2.078 meters per second. That means direction is what? Downward. Once you will get this one, maybe I will add here this one as the direction of this velocity, that is in this direction, right? Now as you know these two components, from this one if you will find out what is the resultant velocity, the resultant velocity easily will get applying what? Pythagoras theorem. That means this velocity is what? VA dash. Applying Pythagoras theorem, VA dash equal to square root of VA dash x square means 1.5 square plus what velocity you are getting? 2.078 square. If you substitute value, what will get here? 2. One is 2.598 is VA. VA dash y is 2.078 and VA dash x is what? 1.5. That means square root of 1.5 square plus 2.078 square. Final answer what will get is 2.563 meters per second. And what inclination will get now? always this angle, if you want to find out, now see here in this one what angle will get, that one will get maybe with this x-axis or maybe with y-axis. With this axis if you find out, say this one theta with x-axis, that means theta x if you find out, that one is a tan inverse of opposite, means this length is what, va dash y upon va dash x. Va dash y value is what, 2.078, this is what, 1.5. what answer will get here, this is 54.18 degrees. But now if you want to find out what is inclination with horizontal, you easily will get inclination with horizontal, because you know this line is inclined at what angle with horizontal, so that angle will get what, 30 degree. That means finally if you will represent like this, what is the direction of velocity, this angle is what, 30 degree with horizontal, plane is inclined at 30 degree with horizontal, then this x-axis, with x-axis what velocity you are getting is inclined at what angle, so this angle is 54.18 and this is your v dash. That means this angle, just say only theta if you write with horizontal, comes out to be 54.18 minus what, 30, that means we'll get this angle as 24.18 degree. Or if we'll write this one as 54.18 with the plane, which one is our positive x-axis, there is also no problem. But if you want to find out inclination with horizontal, already this plane is inclined at 60 with vertical, that means horizontal say angle is what, 30 degree, therefore we'll get inclination of v dash with horizontal as what, 24.18 degrees. Thank you.